June 17th here. The drawing of Chico Mendez is coming along. The slain Brazilian Amazonian rainforest and indigenous peoples activist and defender. There's the postman butterfly. I call it Il Postino after the great movie. The wing at lower left is coming along very nicely here. I'm now, even though this is not a plant from Brazil, I think of plants, flora and fauna worldwide as interconnected in various and diverse ways. So this is from my own plants here. So I am drawing that here. And to answer a question asked me by at least one, maybe two people at tours I gave at the recent University of Washington Hillel exhibit of Under the Wings of God and Sightseeing with Dignity Art, someone asked me if I draw the whole thing in pencil ahead of time and then ink, or if I just go ahead with ink. Actually, about half of the ink section here of the leaves and kind of like vines I did in pencil, then I went over with ink. That was kind of this portion here, but then as I began going up, I'm just drawing directly with ink now, and I'm thinking of having the whole upper section, upper left, upper center, and upper right be plants. I haven't decided as whether or not I will go in with color. I might do that with this particular plant, at least the green on one side and the kind of magenta purple on the other side. I think would work nicely. Then have to decide if I'm going to use gouache or colored pencil. But to be continued. There you have it for now.